things. So I was really worried about how am I going to fit all of this in? How am I going to, what happens if I fail? And then it's going to be something that I'm going to feel really guilty about. But I can honestly, hand on heart, say that it has been one of the best things that I've done, been to help me feel better. I started wanting to do the challenge because of wanting to feel physically and mentally better, and that's exactly what it's done.
And as well, with this is part of a film series as well, so I guess it adds an extra pressure. Like you said, you don't want to let yourself down, you don't want to let anyone down. Does it help, or has it really helped you being accountable and knowing that whatever you did, people who are following your journey would see as well?
Yeah, absolutely. And I've actually started to do video vlogging around, my daily kind of struggles, because I'm not going to say it's all been amazing, it's all been perfect, because actually we all have really bad days, and we've had a lot of bad days recently. But I think being accountable and saying it's okay to have a bad day, it's okay to feel rubbish. And I've had so many messages of people saying thank you for being honest, thank you for sharing your oversharing thoughts, which obviously the lovely Dr. Murphy has been helping me with around kind of being more positive. No, I'm not allowed to say positive. Being more realistic.
Oh, I like this. So explain to that then. You can't say positive. So what? How come that? What's that all about?
So when I went over to Ireland, we talked about my mindset. So I've got ADHD, and I'm sometimes really hard on myself, having unrealistic expectations for myself. So I'll get up in the morning and I'll be like, right, I need to do this, and I need to walk 5 miles, and that's just unrealistic. So I started to think, right, I just need to be positive. And when I sat down with Dr. Murphy and all the other experts, Dr. Murphy did say, I want you to stop thinking positively. It's about being what's realistic, because you've got such a busy life, and if you're thinking about being positive, and if you're not positive on a day because you're having a bad day, then you're going to be hard on yourself again.
Yeah.
So you're kind of setting yourself up to fail. So I don't try and think about being positive anymore. I try and think about being realistic. And if I have a bad day, I have a bad day, like we all do. And I really want to be able to help other mums, because it can be a very lonely experience, most amazing experience in the world, and I would not change it for the world. But it can be very lonely, and it can be, you feel like you're the only one going through what you're feeling. And I think building the networks through Mama Social Co, which is how this whole journey kind of started, has just been lovely to see the messages that I'm receiving from people to say thank you for sharing. I might be embarrassing myself.
Not at all. No, I love this though, because this is what people want to hear. It's and it's lovely hearing the kind of, you're questioning yourself as you go along. It's like a change of mindset. Is
the experts within the 40-day health challenge absolutely help you so much throughout the whole process of doing it.
And obviously you've been doing your vlogs and everything. Andy, where can people watch this and get involved? Because it's lovely hearing you doing this, but obviously you've got your blog so we can catch that up. But it's one of those, it's nice seeing other people going through the journey, because it inspires you to go, right, okay, if you're admitting that sometimes days are tough and all that, maybe I want to get involved. So where can they see it?
Yeah, absolutely. So the digital series itself goes out on YouTube. So you just go on to 40-Day Health Challenge on YouTube. There's also the social media pages, so Facebook, 40-Day Health Challenge. We've got nearly 250,000 people following along on there. And then also for the UK, we've got Mama Social as well. So some of Amy and Kaylee as well, their vlogs will go up on the Mama social pages as well. And also as well, if anybody wants to follow along the plan, so the plan, the food plan, the exercise, the mental health well-being videos, everything that the ladies are following along, you can also go on to 40dayhealthchallenge.co.uk, and they're all available for people to sign up as well.
And then for the days now, what day are you on now?
I'm on day 27.
And
so
you must be so proud of yourself.
I'm really proud of myself.
Yeah.
I'm also 31 days clean of Diet Coke, which
well done.
because that was really, really hard. I'm so proud of myself for that, but I'm also proud of myself because when I've been having bad days, for exercise, for example, I'm still sticking to the meal plan because it's easy, it's nice. My husband Ross and even my little boy Henry, who can be a picky eater at times, is eating what we're eating. What's also really nice to be able to see is that if you look at last year's series, you can see the before and after photos of the challenges from then, which was predominantly done in Ireland, I think. But it's nice to be able to see it's not just the weight, it is like I feel difference in my hair, my skin, my energy levels. But I still have bad days, and that's absolutely fine.
And after the 40 days, what's the plan for you? Because you've been doing your vlogging, And I bet you're getting quite used to this. You'll be getting a bit of a following. You're obviously lovely, a really nice girl. But do you know what I mean? And you know, genuine.
Yeah.
Could you see yourself doing this, like being a bit of an influencer and all that?
Well, if the influencer means that it's swearing and oversharing, then I think that's what it could
That could
be.
be your niche.
Yeah, that could be my niche. Yeah, but yeah, I like the fact that I feel sometimes self-conscious when I'm putting videos out there because you know, if anyone's seen them, I don't look great. I've had a blow dry today, but you know, I don't normally look great because I'm literally like, you know, breastfeeding Maggie, or I'm like, you know, playing with airplanes with my
But
little
that's
boy.
real though. That's what really happens in real households.
Yeah. So I'm hoping that, you know, the messages that I have from people are like, yeah, hilarious. And I'm not meaning to be funny. It's just real life, and I hope that I can continue to, you know, make people laugh. That's what I would like.
Yeah, oh well, thank you both so much for coming in, and obviously Maggie as well. And Andy, remind us again if anyone wants to follow the details and follow the story and the journey, how can we do it?
So you can watch it on YouTube, it's 40-Day Health Challenge, or you can follow along the whole plan yourself on 40dayhealthchallenge.co.uk.
Oh, well, thank you all for coming in. I still can't believe how well behaved Maggie has been right the way through the interview.